Hi friends, I'm David Lopez, celebrity hairstylist, content creator, and hair extension enthusiast. Welcome to Luxy's YouTube channel. Get ready to learn. Two of the easiest extension methods to use are gonna be clip-ins or halos. Let me break down the difference between the two and which one you're gonna wanna be using. So with the clip-ins, the Luxy Classic clip-ins comes with 10 pieces. So think about that. You have 10 pieces that you're able to adjust where you want it on your head, how many pieces on your head, how many pieces you want to use. You can use the full set, you can use the full set, you can use the half set. With the halo, this is a little more instant, and this is gonna give you that instant drama with minimal steps that you don't have to worry about sectioning and opening and clipping. Now, the halo is similar in that you do have the clips that open and snap shut. You also have this additional clear wire that is adjustable for the size of your head, and it has a very easy application method that I'm gonna show you how to do. The halo is meant to sit on the head like this. However, you don't wear it like this. You wanna go ahead and section out the hair that's gonna sit underneath. What I personally love about Luxy's halos is that it comes with these two additional clips, which is honestly unheard of. Most halos only come with just the halo. These clips are important because you put them on either side of where the halo sits to really help with that blending and have it look really seamless. Think about like you're putting a crown on your head. That's what you wanna go ahead and section that out. We're gonna start at the part line. We're gonna make a smiley face down the back. And you're going to work your way around. Like this. Lift up that hair and clip it away. You're going to take your halo. You want to make sure all the clips are snapped open. This is very important. Make sure that they're open. And you'll place it right in that crown section that you just created. I find that for most people, the length of the string or the cord is working great out of the box, but you can also adjust it and make it tighter or looser depending on the size of your head. Now we want to open, make sure the clips are open. We're going to slide in, snap it shut, and you're going to do that all the way around. Once you've applied the clips, if you need to tighten the string, you can just pull on one side until you feel that it is snug against the head. It should feel nice and snug. The top of the string should not be loose at all. Now, even now when I just adjusted it, you'll sometimes notice when you take it down that you can see a little bit of that string there, but that's completely okay and normal. What you wanna do is take a tail comb or the Luxy brush and you just wanna go on either side of it and pull the hair out from that section. The goal is to have the string completely disappear. There we go. And we have that instant thickening effect. If you want instant length, you'd go for a longer length. But I find that the halos are great for people who are just wanting to get that instant density. They're not wanting dramatic volume. They're not wanting dramatic length. You just want to feel like your hair looks a little bit thicker and fuller. Now with the clips that it comes with two additional clips. Remember, we open the clips and then we snap them shut. I like to apply them right where the halo ends at an angle from the top of your part line down to the back. This is gonna give you an automatically layered effect that blends even better. Now, if you're wondering, is the halo right for me? I do want to preface that the halo is going to be great for fine to medium hair. and it's gonna sit around this length right here. It does come in two lengths. We have a 16-inch and a 20-inch as well. I prefer to use halos more for voluming and thickening as opposed to making the hair much longer. But of course, that's your preference and how you feel like it looks the most seamless for you when you're wearing them at home. Removal of halos is just as easy as they are to apply. Now, of course, I'm saying all of this as a professional hairstylist. I understand. I do think sometimes practice does make perfect when it comes to something that feels new for you. So when you are trying your halo for the first time, I would say give yourself a little bit more time that day to get ready to make sure that you're really comfortable and happy with how it turns out. This is not something that if you're new to it, you want to try on a very important night for the very first time with minimal time to do it, because I know the power of the halo and how easy it is to use, and I want to make sure that you're set up for success when you're trying it for the first time. So once we've clipped everything out, we simply take the cord, we find it in our part line, and it will slide right out. Instantly, we have removed the drama that we added to our hair, the instant thickening, and you're ready to then wear it for another day. The Luxy clip-ins are no commitment really. They just go in and they come right out. I want to show you what makes them a clip-in. They have clips here on the back that open and close, and they're very easy to apply into the hair. You want to have a nice clean section. And then what I really like to do to make sure that they have a nice grip is do a light tease right underneath. You don't have to go too crazy. Make sure you open up the clips on the section that you're working with. And you're going to want to kind of scoop the hair into the section. So I come from the top and then I scoop it down, slide it in, and then snap it shut. You'll hear a little snap. That's what you want to hear. Same thing on this side. You want to go in from the top and scoop it down into your section and close it down. And Luxy's clip-ins are very sturdy. They're not going to slide out of your hair as long as you are opening the clip, sliding it down, and then snapping it shut. And now you have a very secure clip-in installed. Remember that clip-ins are very no commitment. You can take them out the same day or an hour later if you really wanted to. Easy as they are to put in, easy as they are to take out. All you have to do is go in and open up the clip, and then just gently remove it, and you'll see no tugging, no pulling, but it was still a nice secure bond at the very top. So that's one of the reasons why I use clip-ins so often to my celebrity clients, because my clients want to have that instant drama. They want to have that instant lengthening, or maybe sometimes they had some sort of chemical haircut. They need to fill in the sides here. Whatever the case is, clip-ins are a great option to get that instant effect that you don't need for long-term wear. If you want effortless and a one and done, get a halo. But if you want customization and control, the 10-piece classic clip-in set is going to be your option too.